Nothing in the back, everything's in the front.
Ano ba? Who ate my chipotle?
There's something mysterious happening in this house. I think it's a ghost. Apple! 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 Your mom!
What about me?
You're not included.
Why is your chin like that?
Which one? I have two.
4.
Can I tell you something?
What, that you're a bottom?
No! Why do you always tell me I'm a bottom?
It's okay, Oliver.
No!
It's okay.
But I'm a top.
No, don't be like that. Accept the truth.
The powdered donuts. Earlier it was 10, now it's just 3.
That's not me.
I hate liars. We have to be honest here. We are only 3, oh. How can I eat that? I'm vegan. Oh, I cannot reach. Oh, it's very hard. See?